We are not a telecom company. We are not a network company. We fix cars. We restore people to the rhythm of their lives. And when that happens, you know, you're standing in a location and we don't have internet up, or, you know, somebody's at a traveling and their MiFi goes, it got suspended, or we didn't pay a random bill we didn't know we had, or all of those things that were happening. So how do you bring all of that together and partner with somebody that becomes an extension of Caliber that has the same heart that we do to make sure all those things are working for us? I appreciate what MetTel has done, especially over the last year, as the chaos of growing 40% in a single year and getting every store converted took place, that they looked at things differently, right? We can't do it the way we've done it in years past, where we kind of have a phone call, we tell you some things that are going on, we met once or twice a quarter, and the commitment that they came in and said, we're going to be here for a while.